Hi, second graders. Welcome to week 3. We are going to be looking at lesson 25, the phonics in grammar for this week. This week for phonics, we are going to look at the ah sound. Can everyone say ah, ah, ah? Say it. Ah, ah, ah. Ah as in saw. We can make the ah sound with the letters A, W, A, U, A, U, G, H, O, U, G, H, A, L, and O. All of these can say, let's say it, ah. Do it one more time. Ah. Okay, so we are going to get on to our phonics. Let's see. Maybe if I can move this on. No. This is action. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ah, ah, ah. We can make the sound, the ah sound with, let's do it again. A U like in August. A W as in lawn. A L as in talk. O like moss. And A as in water. Let's say it. August. Say it. August. Lawn. Say it. Lawn. Talk. Say it. Talk. Moss. Moss. And water. We are going to practice switching the vowel sound to the ah sound. So everyone say this word. Ready? Fan. Do it one more time. Fan. We are going to change the ah to an ah. Can we do it? What is the word? Instead of ah to ah, it is fun. Ooh. The next word, hill. Say it. Hill. Change the I sound to an ah. What is it? Hall. Say it. Hall. Now, what's this word here? Dry. We're going to change the I sound to an ah. So, dr, and then change it to an ah. Ready? Draw. Say it. Draw. Great job. Okay, gonna keep going. Here we have check. Everyone say check. We're gonna change that E, the S sound to an ah. Chalk. Chalk. Then we have, what's that word? Bus. We're gonna change the sound to an ah. Boss. Boss. And what's this word? Waiter. Waiter. We're going to change the long A here, that A to an ah. Water. Awesome. Okay, let's go back and underline our ah sounds here. We have fawn, A-W. We have in hall, just the A-L, hall. Draw, we have an A-W. Chalk, we have an A-L. Bus, we have a O. And water, we have an A. Hey, this week, remember our phonics is the ah sound. Can we say ah, ah, ah? Good job. Okay, let's move on to our grammar. Our grammar, again, it's the same thing from last week, so you guys should be pros at it, is irregular action verbs. Can we say that? Irregular action verbs. Irregular action verbs are verbs. Verbs is the action, but they are happening, it's a different way that it's spelled. So let's review here. Past. Past means it has already happened. Present means it's happening now. Now, most verbs in the past use an ed. But irregular verbs use special verb forms. So let's look. We have say and eat. These are happening right now. Say, I say we go to the park. Or I eat an apple. These verbs, these actions are happening right now. Now, we can't add an ed to this. I said, I wanted to go to the park. No. We can't add an ed to eat either. I eated an apple. Blah. No. So we have to change the whole entire word to a special form. So, said. I said I wanted to go to the park. Or, I ate an apple yesterday. These words are in the past, saying it already has happened. Ask yourself, is the action happening now? Oh, hold on. Technical difficulty. Ask yourself, is the action happening now or did it happen in the past? Did it happen now or did it happen in the past? So that will help us. Let's see if I can get it with these sentences here. Now, help me figure out which one I need to circle. Now we blank our lunch. Now, we're talking about now. Ask ourselves, is it happening now or in the past? If it's happening now, it's happening in the present. So put it back in. Now we ate our lunch. Now we eat our lunch. Now ate should be in the past. So what should it be? Now we ate our lunch. Blah. Now we eat our lunch. Yep, it's happening now, so it's present. It needs to be eat. We blank the food from yesterday. Ooh, this is ask yourself. When is it happening? It's happening yesterday. If it's happening yesterday, is that past or present? Past. Okay, so I put each word in the sentence to see which one makes sense. We took the food from yesterday. We take the food from yesterday. What do you think? What do you think? We took the food from yesterday. If it happened yesterday, it needs to be in the past. We take, we took. Next, gave my speech last Monday. Ask yourself, when is the action happening? Now or did it happen in the past? It happened last Monday, so that means it happened in the past. Put it in your sentence. I give my speech last Monday. I gave my speech last Monday. Yeah, gave. It happened in the past. All right, last one. I will blank another speech tomorrow. Okay, is it happening now or in the present or in the future? I will give another speech tomorrow. I will give another speech tomorrow. Give, because it's going to happen in the future. Awesome. All right, second graders, that is your phonics and grammar for this week for lesson 25. As always, if you need any help at all, please just give me or any Mrs. Levitt, Mrs. Lancet, Mrs. Murdoch, any questions, you just give us a holler, okay? I sure miss you guys. I hope to see you soon. Okay, bye.